Welcome to the Ashdown Dual Bass Compressor. Okay, so here's the box, all in pretty good condition for its age, and this is what's in the box. Bit of packaging there, as you can see, and then there's the manual as described in the listing. So this is sort of like a universal manual. So if I find here is the compressor here, bit of blurb on it, and then if you flip it over, it tells you the operating instructions here for that one, as it does on the drive and the Menzo pedal, etc. So beg your pardon, here's the compressor one here. Okay, that's the overall view of it. So that's what that is, that's what you get with it. And here's the pedal itself. So just show you how it's connected up. In from the bass out to the amp, or in from another pedal out to another pedal. So it's going, as you look into it, right to left. See the condition of the pedal here, it's very good. No scratches on it. There's no none of the paintwork's come off or anything. There's the mains adapter if you want to put it on your board. Typical 9-volt as it is, with a battery that goes in here. Unfortunately, it can't ship the battery. The post office don't allow that, so it's running on the battery at the moment. You can see the lights on there, and I'll have to take that out before I ship it to you. So as soon as we put the input in, the light comes on there. As you can see, it's engaged, and then here's a sound bypassing it. And then when I activate it, you'll see the red light just here come on. Yeah, there it is. So everything's set at 12 o'clock at the moment there, as you can see. So that's basically the same sound. So what we've got here, just so you know, the input then, that's the input signal from, even though the sound's coming in here on the right, it's left to right this time, not right to left. So that's the input signal there. How much you want from the bass in this case. And then the output, how much you're going to the amp. Here, yeah. So in both ways you're boosting the signal. Boost there, yeah. Okay, on the till on the inside then, from the outside moving in, they've got low frequency compression and high frequency compression. So if I demonstrate that, so and then it might seem like an EQ control, but it's not. It's that's the one in the middle here. So boosting the bass. See the red dot? Different frequencies. There's the D string. Back to the G. Here's the A. So if I just played a line without it, without those settings, and then kick these settings in. So without touching the amp's all flat here, so we can actually adjust that. Sounds a bit pants. Let's try that. So it's a bit of an EQ thing. So we did it with a pick now. And then with these settings. Okay, get the idea. So it all works. You see the VU meter moving as well as I play. That shows the compression's taking place. Alright, hope it helps.